Can't use your Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K Max remote? Whether it's damaged, not responding, or missing, you can easily set up and use your smartphone, iPhone, or Android device as a remote for your Fire TV Stick. So, for this, whether you're using an iPhone or an Android device, go to the App Store or Play Store and search for the Amazon Fire TV app if you haven't installed it yet. Now, go ahead and install the app. Once installed, sign in with the same Amazon account that's registered to your Fire TV Stick. Next, tap on the Remote Control option in the bottom left corner. At this point, make sure your smartphone and the Fire TV Stick are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. And also, Bluetooth is on in your smartphone. The app will start searching for nearby devices. When your device name automatically appears, tap on it to connect. It will show a waiting to connect message. Then a code will appear on your TV screen. Enter that code on your phone to verify, and that's it. Your phone will now act as your Fire TV Stick remote. You'll have all the controls like home, menu, and navigation buttons right there. And you can use it just like a regular remote. If some functions, like the volume controls, are not working, use your phone's remote to go to Settings from there. Open Equipment Control and make sure it is set to Automatic. Then, from Settings again, go to Display and Sound Settings. Turn on CEC Device Control. And all functions should start working properly. And that's all there is to it. See you in the next one.